inspect a vehicle on your iPad, tablet or phone, start by tapping the Inspection button. You will be taken to the Vehicle Details screen, where you can enter and pull the job from the Autosoft database by searching the registration details. Once all the required data is entered, scroll to the bottom of the page and tap Next. Now you can add any damages by tapping on the relevant part of the vehicle and entering the details as shown. These repair types are preloaded into the system as per client's requirements. You can also attach images of the vehicle by tapping the image icon, which would open up your camera or gallery to add images. Once all the damage details have been entered, tap the tick to save. If you are replacing a part, you can add details in the part description section before saving. For interior damage, tap the Interior button. A new image of the vehicle's interior will appear, allowing you to select the affected part and enter the necessary data, just like before. For other interior items, you can use the damage list below to select and enter the details. You can mark the damages on the image by accessing the pen tool and drawing on any part of the image before pressing Save. Once all the data has been filled out, tap Next. On the checklist screen, fill out the form by ticking all the relevant information for the vehicle. After selecting all the necessary data, choose the available tyres for the vehicle and tap Add to include them in the list. Now that all the information is complete, tap Next to proceed to the final page. Here, you can leave your signature and assign the NAMA or internal grading standards. Once everything is finalized, you can send the inspection report to the customer's email. The customer will receive both an inspection report and an estimate. The inspection report includes all relevant vehicle details, recorded damages, completed checklists, and any attached images. The estimate presents the total cost for vehicle repairs in a clear and organized format. Once you save the inspection, the job will appear at the top of your office system. You can click on the job and select Job Edit JE to view all relevant job details. Additionally, any images you previously attached can be accessed in the office system by navigating to the Estimate screen. Simply click the E button and go to the Images section, where all inspection images will be displayed. On the main Genesis screen, select Job Updates. Then search for the job using the number plate as shown. In this case, we're looking at Job 4298. The Genesis screen displays the job status, which in this case is awaiting authority, along with other relevant details. To authorize the estimate, click on the shield icon. On this screen, you'll see all labor and parts, their costs, and any attached images. You can click the camera icon to view images related to the repair as shown. Once you've reviewed everything, you can tick the Authorize box for the jobs you're approving. You can now authorize the job, which will tell the repair center that only this work is approved by the client, and pass the information to the repair center. The body shop will see that the job status has been updated in their office system and will also receive an email notification. The repair center will see the notes shared with them from the client here. Once the repair center has completed all necessary repairs and conducted their final quality check, the vehicle status updates automatically. The client can then view the final quality check report by clicking the three dots and selecting QC report as shown.